Let's solve an antiderivative. First step, you're gonna put the fx. Second step is you're gonna copy and copy the 2. And you're gonna put a x plus c here. Next step is you're gonna copy the fx. And you're gonna copy the negative 6 x. And you're gonna plus the 1 plus 2 equals to 3. And you're gonna copy, and you're gonna plus this 2 plus 1 equals to 3. Minus, gonna copy the 8x, and gonna plus the 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And the 1 plus 1 in the down is equals to 2. Minus, you're gonna copy this 2x plus c. And that's the answer. Number 2. Fx equals to 12x3 plus 9x2 minus 10x plus 13. First step is you're gonna put a fx here. You're gonna copy the 12x plus 3 and you're gonna plus it by 1. And sa down po, di copy ni mo ang 3 plus 1. Next step is gonna plus. You're gonna put here the 9. x2, you're gonna plus by 1. I'm gonna copy the 2 plus 1 here sa down. Then, I'm gonna put the minus here. Gonna copy the 10x. 1, you're gonna plus it by 1. You're gonna put here 1 plus 1 equals, I'm gonna put the plus sign. But I'm gonna copy that 13 and put a x plus c. Next step, we're gonna put our fx here and copy the 12x, and you're gonna plus the 3 plus 1 here and equals to 4. And so down put 4. Put the plus sign and copy the 9x. You're gonna plus the 2 plus 1 equals to 3. And copy the 3 here because you're gonna plus the 2 plus 1. And copy the negative sign. And copy the 10x. You're gonna plus this 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And 1 plus 1 equals to 2. You're gonna copy the plus sign. And the 13, copy the 13x plus c. And this is the answer in the number 2. This is the final answer in the 1 and 2 because I round off the answer. The final answer in number 1 is fx equals to negative 2 x3 minus 4x2 minus 2x plus c. The final answer in number 2 is fx equals to 3x 4 plus 3x3 minus 5x2 plus 13x plus c.